each and every one of you for coming here. It was a pleasure seeing you all here. And once again, we are all here tonight to witness the grand launching of MCAR's system. It is a platform, it's a very powerful platform system for everyone who wants an opportunity. So everything that you're going to witness tonight is for the people. MCARS is now bringing the platform here now in the Philippines as part of its new business venture na makatulong sa maraming Pilipino. So everyone, sa lahat ng nandito ngayon, we're witnessing a very historical moment for the car industry. And MCARS yung nagdala nun, MCARS nagtiwala sa Socia at nadala natin yan dito sa Pilipinas. And right now, tonight, we're going to launch it. So I want to congratulate everyone, especially Boss Jen Panalang and the MCARS team for this really great event. Congratulations, everyone.
Alright, thank you so much po. Next po, Mr.